Have you ever wondered which Cricut blade, housing, and machine each tool are compatible with? Well, today I will be discussing the different blades and how they're used.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.
First is the rotary blade. The rotary blade is recommended for use of fabrics and other soft, delicate, less dense materials such as tissue paper and cork. It is recommended that the image size is at least 3/4 of an inch when using the rotary blade. Smaller images than this may cause the blade to scrape as it tries to make small turns, which may leave a gouge in your mat, and it may diminish the life of the blade. You must use the rotary blade drive housing. The rotary blade should be used with a fabric grit mat, which is made of a stronger, more dense material that can withstand the intense pressures from the rotary cutting process, and is only compatible with the Cricut Maker machines. Be careful, this blade is sharp. Next is the knife blade. The extra deep knife blade slices through dense materials up to 3/4 of an inch thick. This blade is ideal for cuts of moderate detail in thicker materials. The knife blade is recommended to be used to cut thicker materials such as balsa wood, mat board, and chipboard. This must be used with the knife blade drive housing and is compatible only with the Cricut Maker machines. Important note, due to longer cutting times requiring Bluetooth connection, the knife blade projects are not compatible with iOS and Android devices, so it must be used on a computer. Next, we're going to talk about the quick swap tools. These are designed especially for the Cricut Maker's adaptive tool system. You can expand your collection of Cricut Maker tools with a variety of quick swap tips. This includes the single scoring wheel, engraving tip, perforation blade, debossing tip, and wavy blade with just a push of a button. Again, these are only compatible with the Cricut Maker machines. First, we're going to discuss the scoring wheel and the double scoring wheel. With the ability to use up to 10 times more pressure than the scoring stylus, these two tools, the scoring wheel and double scoring wheel, create crisp creases in thick and thin materials to make the perfect, effortless fold. The scoring wheel makes a deep single score line, perfect for uncoated, light materials including crepe paper, light cardstock, and even acetate. The double scoring wheel creates two deep parallel scoring lines. That's exactly what you need for coated or thicker materials like poster board and cardboard. The quick swap housing makes these changing tips as easy as the push of a button. The debossing tip. Debossing adds a depression to paper which gives it a 3D effect, elevating the design. This tip creates a detailed depression in a variety of materials and adds dimension and elegance. The engraving tip. The engraving tip allows you to inscribe or etch personal text, create monograms, draw on a variety of materials including aluminum, acrylic, and more. The perforation blade. You can get the perfect effortless tear using the perforation blade. This blade creates evenly spaced perforation lines, allowing for clean, even tearing without the need to fold. This is especially helpful for shapes with curves. This blade is perfect for creating a tear-out booklet pages or journals, tickets, or for any project that demands a clean tear. The last of the quick swap tools is the wavy blade. Add a fun, wavy, decorative edge to any design. This specially sculpted stainless steel blade is great for creating a wavy edge to any card, envelope, scrapbook, decal, gift tag, collage project, or anytime you want an elegant, finished edge. Now we're going to talk about the different blades. Cricut blades are now color-coded so you can see at a glance which blade is used for your materials. The gold is for premium fine point, the black is for deep point, the pink is for bonded fabric. First, we're going to talk about the premium fine point blade. This is made from premium German carbide steel that has a 45-degree angle. It is designed to make the most intricate cuts on a variety of thin to medium weight materials. This blade is recommended for use with paper, cardstock, poster board, vinyl, iron-on vinyls, and other thin to medium weight materials. The premium fine point blade is gold in color. You can also use a silver housing with the gold blade. The gold and silver housing are compatible with both the Cricut Explorer and the Maker series. Next is the deep point blade. The deep point blade has a steeper angle of 60 degrees and is made of harder and more durable steel. This blade is recommended for use of intricate cuts on thicker materials such as magnet, chipboard, thick cardstock, stiff felt, foam sheets, cardboard, and some fabrics. The deep point blade is black in color and allows the blade to stick out of the housing further to make deeper cuts than the silver and gold housing, as you can see in this picture. It is important to be used with the deep point blade housing. This blade and housing can be used with all the Cricut Maker and Explorer machines. Next is the bonded fabric blade. Who likes to cut fabric with scissors? This blade is a perfect substitution for those who would prefer to let the machine do the work. This blade is recommended for intricate cuts on bonded fabrics or fabrics with an iron-on backer, and is pink in color. This blade can be used with the bonded blade housing or with the silver or gold blade housing. This blade and housing can be used with all Cricut Maker and Explorer machines. Next is the foil transfer tool. The foil transfer tool is used with the foil transfer sheets to add a foil effect to projects on a variety of materials. It comes with 3 interchangeable tips: fine, medium, and bold. These are all suitable for projects ranging from basic outlines to the most intricate designs. This tool is compatible with the Cricut Explorer and Maker machines. The scoring stylus. The scoring stylus is compatible with both the Explorer and Maker series, where the scoring wheel is only compatible with the Maker series. It does not have the ability to use as much pressure as the scoring wheel, but is a great alternative, especially if you have an Explorer series. Lastly, I know that crafting gets expensive. I am constantly looking for ways to cut costs where I can. I found you can get cheap replacement blades in multi-packs. I found these very useful. The blue blades are 60-degree fine point, the red are 45-degree medium point, and the yellow are 30-degree deep point blades. They end up being around 50 cents a blade versus around $7 for a Cricut brand fine point blade. I find that these blades don't last quite as long, but given the price, you can get significantly more cuts from these multi-packs like this one that I found on Amazon. Please go to the description section below and find the link for these amazing blades. I just use them in appropriate housing to make my projects a success. I was given these blades to review them and give a non-biased opinion. So far, I have found no flaw in these blades and have not had to change them in over 4 months of crafting.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.